I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In the last class, we have seen that how do you apply inverse Laplace for the basic problems and formulas also we have seen that. In today's class, we are going to see inverse transform of by completing square method. So we are going to see in today's class, right? Completing square method we are going to see in today's class. Square, completing square method. Square method we are going to see. What is this completing square method means? In the Laplace transforms, we have seen that the shifting property. What is the shifting property is if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s. We know that already. So these are the basics. I'm telling that basic formula. What we have to do, the procedure I'm telling that. We know that L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. L inverse of f bar of s minus a equal to e power at into f of t. L, in, L inverse of f bar of s minus a equal to e power at into f of t. So this one only, just I am going to write this f of t again. Say using this one, using this equation 1, I'll write L inverse of f bar of s minus a equal to e power at into f of t. What is that? F of t is nothing but L inverse of f bar of s. E power at into L inverse of f bar of s. How do you simplify f bar of s? See, f bar of s is nothing but, so this f bar of s, is in the form of like this. Pi of s divided by, in general I'm telling here, ps square plus qs plus r form. Now, we first express this one in the form of, we express ps square plus qs plus r in the form of s minus a whole square plus r minus b square, and later pi of s in terms of, that means numerator, in terms of s minus a, so that given function s reduces to, s reduces to a function of s minus a, Now, this one I can take it as equation number 3. Equation number 3 is nothing but, this is equation 2, and this one should be equation number 3. I am taking this one. This one should be equation number 3, not this one. This is equation number 3. Now we will apply. So we can use equation 3 and obtain the result in the form of, we can use equation 3. We can get in the form of, f bar of s equal to pi of s divided by s minus a. pi of s divided by psi of s minus a. So we'll express in this format, right? Just I have been explained the procedure. So you will get f bar of s. So what is that? L inverse of f bar of s minus a is nothing but e power at into f of t. This one only e power at into f of t is nothing but L inverse of f bar of s. That f bar of s I will take, and this one I will do that completing square method, ps square plus qs plus r. We can write in the form of completing square method, and we'll replace what is that? Pi of s by what is that? Reduces to s minus a. Will do now. So I'll simplify one problem. You will understand very easily the procedure. We'll take one problem and I'll simplify. So the time you will understand very easily. Right. We'll see the first problem in this completing square method. So just they will not tell solve by completing square method. You should understand solve L inverse of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. S plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13 we can write. How do you simplify this? So here say it is in the form of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. So whenever if you take the problem, so we'll concentrate on that first one should be, we'll concentrate on, so what the denominator is. According to the denominator, we will adjust to the numerator also. So what is the denominator term here? We can see denominator is nothing but L inverse of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. This is a given function. Now denominator, what is the dr here is nothing but denominator is nothing but denominator is s square minus 6s plus 13. So whenever see here, what is the term is that 6 s coefficient should be what is that 6 is there. It's in the form of a square minus 2ab. B square is whatever it may be. So I'll write s square minus 6s plus 13. I will arrange in the form of s minus 3 whole square. I'll write. Whenever s square minus 6s is there means I'll write this one s minus 3 whole square. Then minus s square minus 6s plus 9. This one should be I'm writing as minus 9. Minus 9 plus 13. Understood, I think so. Just if you want, you can expand this. S minus 3 whole square, if you'll expand, s square minus 6s plus 9. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel means we'll get only this much. Now I'll write s minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 13 should be plus 4. Plus 4. Now, denominator is in the form of s minus 3 whole square plus 4 format. This also I will write L inverse of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. I will write in the form of L inverse of s plus 5 divided by denominator I will write in the form of s minus 3 whole square plus 4 I will write. Because already explained, so how we have to simplify this one. How we have to simplify this one already explained. So using this s minus 3 whole square s minus 3 whole square s minus here what that s plus 5 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. How we have been written this one? Already I told that s plus 5 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. This one only, see, already I simplified this s square minus 6s plus 13. I have written like this. Now, numerator also I'll write, see, L inverse of this s plus 5 is there, no? This one I can write s minus 3 plus 3 plus 5. S minus 3 plus 3 plus 5. Just I am adding minus 3 and I am subtracting plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. Now Here what I am going to do here, see, why I am adding the here minus 3 plus 3 means denominator in the form of s minus 3. I am going to arrange numerator s also in the form of s minus 3. So that's the way just I have done like that. So L inverse of s minus 3, here plus 3 plus 5. This is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 should be 8 plus 8 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. 4 I am writing as 2 square. 4 I am writing as 2 square for my convenience. In next step, I'll write L inverse of, here I'll write s plus 8 divided by s square plus 2 square. I have been replaced s minus 3 by c s minus 3 by s. In the place of s minus 3, I put s. Now I'll write this s minus 3 only, I'll write it as, already we know that. What is that formula here? Previously I told, see here, using that previous formula. So I'm going to write, see, L inverse of f bar of s minus a is nothing but e power at. What is that a? A is nothing but here 3. A is nothing but 3. E power, say, just I'll write this one should be e power 3t into L inverse of s plus 8 divided by a square plus 2 square. Now I can write this one only e power 3t into L inverse of s divided by a square plus 2 square plus 8 I am going to take out L inverse of 1 divided by a square plus 2 square. Now I can write this one only e power 3t into L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square is nothing but what is that? Cos 2t plus 8 into, here see, L inverse of, here 2 square is there, here there is no 2. So that's the way it is in the form of plus. Now 8 into, I'll write what is that? A by a square plus a square is sine 80. But here a is not there. So that's the way 8 into sine 80 is nothing but sine 2t divided by 2. Now 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now we'll write e power 3t into cos 2t plus 4 into sine 2t, which is the required solution of L inverse of, what is that, s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. Any doubts in this problem? Any doubts in this problem? Any doubts? You can ask any doubts in there. Right. Next problem in this. We can take, next question should be second problem, L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. Now we can write here, what is that denominator say? Solution. Solution is nothing but, so what is that solution? L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. Now here denominator, what is the denominator is nothing but s square plus 6s plus 9 is there. How can I simplify this? Directly I would write a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So s square plus 6s is there. So that means s plus 3 whole square I can write. If you'll write s square plus 6s plus 9, I'm going to write it as s plus 3 whole square I'll write. What is that? S square plus 6s, s square plus 6s plus 9 you will get. Now I'll write L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. I am writing in the form of L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. I will write it as s plus 3 whole square. Now, this only I will write in the form of L inverse of s plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 divided by s plus 3 whole square. Why I am writing here plus 3 minus 3? I am subtracting. Why I am subtracting? This one should be in the form of s plus 3. This one also I have to write in the form of s plus 3 only. So for that sake, I am subtracting here like that. Now, if I'll simplify this, what I will get here, see, next step, L inverse of s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2 divided by s plus 3 whole square. S plus 3 whole square. Now I'll write L inverse of s plus 3. This one I'll write in the form of s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 whole square minus 2 divided by s plus 3 whole square. Now here s plus 3 and this whole square get cancelled means you will get in the form of L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 3 minus 2 I will take outside, L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 3. Now we know that s plus 3 whole square here, sorry, s plus 3 whole square. We know that here s plus 3 is there means directly I'll write, here see, this one I'll write directly, s plus 3 is there means e power minus 3t I'll write. Here I'll write minus 2 into this. I'll replace L inverse of, this one should be 1 by s square. I'll replace s plus 3 by s. S plus 3 by s I'll replace. Now we will write e power minus 3t minus 2 into, this one should be, you will write as e power minus 3t into L inverse of 1 by s square. L inverse of 1 by s square. Now I'll write e power minus 3t minus 2 into e power minus 3t into L inverse of 1 by s square is nothing but t. But that L inverse of 1 by s square is nothing but t. Now I'll take e power minus 3t outside, I'll take equal to, you will get 1 minus 2t. This is L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. I am simplifying in this form. Any doubts in this problem? Yes, see, s plus 3 are replaced by s, then s plus 3 will replace according to the previous formula. What is that? See, formula, according to that formula, what you will write? L inverse of f bar of s minus a is e power at into L inverse of f bar of s. According to that, I am applying here. So if you will apply that, so you will get e power minus 3t into L inverse of 1 by s square is nothing but t. So now e power minus 3t I took outside, so you will get 1 minus 2t. Right, next question. Next problem in this should be, so next one should be, we'll take the form of L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Right, this is a given thing, but here, see, solution. Here, how do you simplify this? Solution should be L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Here, what is the dr, denominator, is, what is that, s square plus s plus 1. How do you simplify this? Here, s coefficient should be, what is that, 1 is there. If s coefficient should be 1 is there means, I'll write s plus 1 by 2 whole square. S plus 1 by 2 whole square. If you will expand this s plus 1 by 2 whole square, what you will get is square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into s, that is nothing but s you will get, plus 1 by 4 you will get. If you will expand this, s square plus s plus 1 by 4 you will get. That one I am writing as minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Now I will write this one only, s plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1 should be, what is that, 3 by 4 I will write. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Now you will get this one only, s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4, I'll write it as, we'll write root 3 by 2 whole square, I'll write. Now, this one I'll write L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. I'll write in the form of L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now you will write here, see s plus 1 is there. This I will write it as L inverse of s plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 I will write. Because here why I am subtracting and adding 1 by 2 means denominator should be in the form of s plus 1 by 2 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square you will get. Now I'll write L inverse of s plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is s plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 should be plus 1 by 2 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now I'll take L inverse of, if you take this one, say s plus 1 by 2 divided by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, will replace s plus 1 by 2 by s. We'll simplify like this, s plus 1 by 2 by s, you will get e power minus 1 by 2t into L inverse of s plus 1 by 2 divided by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now we will write e power minus 1 by 2t into L inverse of s divided by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now we can write this e power minus 1 by 2t into t. L inverse of s by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but, if we'll simplify, what is that? S by s square plus a square is nothing but cos root 3 by 2 into t plus 1 by 2 into, this one should be a by a square plus a square. What is that? A by a square plus a square is nothing but, we know that a by a square plus a square, a is not there. So that's why just I'll write this one should be sine root 3 by 2 into t divided by a. A is nothing but root 3 by 2. Now, if we'll simplify this, we'll get e power minus 1 by 2t into cos root 3 by 2 into t plus this one, if you'll write reciprocal, 2 get cancelled, we'll get root 3 into sine root 3 by 2 into t, which is the required solution of L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Square plus s plus 1, which is the required solution for the given problem. Any doubts in this? Right. So one more problem we will see in this. One more problem we can see. Right. So next problem should be L inverse of L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s, 4s square plus 4s plus 9. 4s square plus 4s plus 9. Solution. Right. So now we'll get L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9 is there. This one, how can I write here? See, I'll take this one. Denominator should be over that here. dr is nothing but 4s square plus 4s plus 9. Here, in previous problems are all, if you see, s square coefficient is 1. Here, what is that? S square coefficient, something should be there. 4 is there. If like that, any term will come, you should try to take the term outside 4 into s square plus s plus 9 by 4. Now what I will do here, say 4 into s square plus s plus 9 by 4, I will write it as this one, s plus 1 by 2 whole square I will write. What is that? S plus 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but s square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into s plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Now I'll write 4 into s plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. What is that? Minus 1 plus 9 is nothing but 8 by 4. What is that? 8 by 4 is nothing but 4 into s plus 1 by 2 whole square. 4 is nothing but what is that? 2. 8 by 4 is nothing but 2 we will get. Now, this is that denominator term just I simplified. I think you understood. So these steps I will follow here now. Here see. L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9 equal to L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4 into s plus 1 by 2 whole square, s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2. Now you will write this 4 if I will take outside 1 by 4 into L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2. Now, here see, here what is there? S plus 1 by 2 is there. Just we will 1 by 4 into L inverse of, here what I am going to do, 7 is there. Just I am adding s plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, I'm subtracting here, plus 4 I'm writing. I think you understood. Here s plus 1 by 2. For this 7 is common for the both terms. S plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is s only, divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2. Plus 2 only I'm writing as root 2 square. Now I'll write 1 by 4 into L inverse of, this one I'll write 7 into s plus 1 by 2. This one should be minus 7 by 2 plus 4 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Now this is 1 by 4 into L inverse of 7 into s plus 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 4. 2 into 4 should be 8. 8 minus 7 should be, or that 8 minus 7 should be plus 1 by 2 divided by s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Now, here what I am going to do, just I will take 1 by 4 into L inverse of s plus 1 by 2 I will take outside, means 7s plus 1 by 2 divided by s square plus root 2 square, replace s plus 1 by 2 by s. I've been replaced s plus 1 by 2 by s. If you'll replace s plus 1 by 2 by s, what is that? According to that formula, you know that you will write outside should be e power minus 1 by 2t e power, so that equal to, what is that? Left hand side we know that e power minus 1 by 2 into t into L inverse of what is that? See, what is that one should be 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by, sorry, 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. 7s divided by 7s divided by s square plus root 2 square. And next one should be over that 1 by 2 into s square plus root 2 square plus 1 by 2 I took outside L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus root 2 square. Now, if I'll simplify this, I'll get e power minus 1 by 2t into L inverse of. This one should be over that 7 I took outside. L inverse of s by s square plus root 2 square plus 1 by 2 into, this one should be over that L inverse of s square plus root 2 square, I'll write sine root 2t divided by root 2, I'll write. Now, next one should be e power minus 1 by 2t into 7 into L inverse of s by s square plus root 2 square should be cos, this one I'll write as cos root 2t plus 1 by 2 into sine root 2t divided by root 2. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this problem? So if you see understood, no? So how do you simplify this? So well, right. See, I missed out in previous steps. One of the 4, I think. So somewhere I missed out. Here 4 is there. That 4 I didn't carry it out in next sheet. So that's why just I'll write e power minus 1 by 2t divided by 4 divided by 4. Now I'll write L inverse of 7s plus 4 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9 equal to e power minus 1 by 2t divided by 4 into 7 into cos root tt plus 1 by 2 into root 2 into sine root 2t. This is the required solution for the given equation. Any doubts in this? So I have done nearly how many problems? 4 problems, I think. 4 problems in this using inverse Laplace, using completing square method I have done. So in the inverse Laplace transforms, right? So first basics I explained. I have done that 4 problems. In the similar way, you can solve the problems using completing square methods. Any doubts is there in this? First denominator term, how do you simplify? That is very important. Then according to the denominator, we will arrange in the numerator.